name is Wes Miller. I'm the Director of IT for GDC Incorporated in Goshen, Indiana. And we are an auto parts supplier. We have 3 different business units and make various vehicle parts. So the problem we were trying to solve was getting good, accurate, timely information into our suppliers' hands. So the current process that we had was one that included emailing, faxing, purchase orders over to our suppliers, and there were times where you didn't know for sure whether the supplier received the order. Somebody's on vacation, and the email, they may not have received the email. What SourceDay allowed us to do was post our purchase order requirements out online, and it allows the vendors to come and confirm that they've actually received those orders. So now we have certainty that our vendors have seen our orders. What made me choose SourceDay? SourceDay was a company that I met here at Sun, and we immediately had a good rapport with the founders, and they seemed genuinely interested in helping us solve the problems that we had, and they're very energetic and had answers to every one of my questions pretty much. Prior to SourceDay, our biggest challenge was getting good, accurate information to the suppliers and being assured that they had received that information. Well, the first thing I would tell them is that I was amazed at the simplicity of how we were able to implement SourceDay. Literally, I had to set up a user ID in my SQL database and grant some permissions that SourceDay sent me, and then open up a port on my firewall and basically execute a few SQL scripts that were all provided to me. And literally in a half an hour to 45 minutes, they were able to see my SQL data. That's a huge advantage. There wasn't a long implementation time. It was very quick and easy, and you can start looking at this, you can start evaluating a solution now, and you can actually be running a solution in a few weeks to a month, not months and quarters. SourceDay is a newer company. There's a lot of energy. They're really fun to work with. And we've had a great experience, and I still feel like they're genuinely interested in solving my problems, even though I've been a customer now for over a year. So one of the things, because we were sort of an early adopter, there is a lot of things that maybe the portal didn't have right away natively, and they were really open and willing to listen to our ideas. Things like adding the ability for the vendor to print barcode labels, which are compliant, so that I can scan my material when they come in. We're currently working on things like ASNs and other tools which allow us to be more efficient and basically just confirm receipt of goods instead of having to receive the goods.